Creating a design system in Figma is a strategic approach to maintain design consistency and efficiency across your projects. Here's a concise guide. Plan and document. Start by defining your design principles, guidelines, and goals. Document your typography, color palette, spacing, and UI components. Organize files. In Figma, create a new file dedicated to your design system. Structure it with pages or frames for different sections like colors, typography, and components. Colors. Define your color palette by creating swatches and documenting their names, AJAX codes, and use cases. Use Figma's styles feature to ensure consistency. Typography. Specify font families, sizes, line heights, and font weights for headings, body text, and other text elements. Create text styles for easy application. Spacing. Determine spacing guidelines for margins, padding, and grid systems. Use layout grids in Figma to maintain consistency. Components. Build reusable UI components like buttons, forms, icons, and cards. Create variants for different states and apply constraints for responsiveness. Naming conventions. Establish clear naming conventions for layers, styles, and components to streamline collaboration and updates. Interactive elements. Define how interactive elements like drop-downs, models, and navigation menus should behave and look. Testing and feedback. Share your design system with team members for testing and feedback. Iterate and refine based on their input. Documentation. Create documentation that explains how to use the design system, including guidelines, component usage, and best practices. Version control. Use Figma's version history and branching to manage updates and changes to your design system. Integration. Integrate your design system into your projects by using Figma's libraries feature. This allows you to easily apply and update design system elements across various files. Maintenance. Regularly update and maintain your design system to reflect changes in design trends, user feedback, and project requirements.